Good morning, fellow dairy farmers. Today we're going to take a walk through some of the equipment we use to haul and spread our manure. Some farmers drive tractor, I drive a wheelchair. Welcome to the Wheeling Dairy Farmer. My family has been farming in Wisconsin since 1849. Our dairy farm is the proud caretaker of 1,200 Holstein cows who produce around 10,000 gallons of milk every day. We'll start by showing you the auxiliary pump. This is our booster pump that goes inline on the hose when we have to travel long distances. So we need a little bit of a booster to keep the manure flowing through the hose. The friction in the hose will cause the manure to slow down, so we just need to put this pump in the middle to give it a little extra boost to keep it moving. This is just the other side showing the engine. Now I'll introduce my other half and assistant, Cindy. She does a lot of the editing and helps with the video work. Just a quick view of the disc that goes behind the tractor to incorporate the manure. Now you can see the hose reels. We have about a 1/4 mile of hose on each one of these reels, and I'm just in front of it to give you a scale of how big these reels are and what the hose really looks like. It's an 8-inch diameter hose that is rubberized fabric that flattens out, and you roll it up like a fire hose with metal ends for couplings. Now we'll just take a look at the boom that extends from the tractor out over the disc and the manifold that incorporates the manure. The reason you have this long boom on the tractor that swivels is it allows you to turn at the end of the field so you don't double back over the hose and damage it when you get to the end of the field. On the right is the air compressor that we use to blow the hose out. And there's another hose reel with the black hose, which is the drag line that goes from the feeder hose to the tractor. We keep that on a separate reel just to make it easier to roll it out in the field. Now we'll head over to the main pump. This is the original high pressure pump that starts the manure on its journey through the hose. We park this at the pit, and it is basically the same pumping apparatus as the booster pump, just with a diesel engine and a pump, but this one has the remote controls and the computer technology on it that is measuring how much manure is being pumped through the hose, and the tractor driver controls this pump from the tractor seat. As we circle back, just the trucks sitting here waiting for the weather to straighten up, and we'll be running to get rid of 8 million gallons of manure. You can see they each have 2 pneumatic valves on the back of each tank that feed into the 12-inch diameter outlet pipes. We can unload a truck in about 3 minutes. So each truck holds between 5,000 and 5,500 gallons. Another view of the boom on the back of the tractor. We will hook the disc on, and then the boom will extend over this disc. This is the applicator disc that the manure comes in the pipe. You see kind of curled up there. That's the hose hanging from the tractor. Goes into the pipe and will flow through a manifold down the green hoses to the ground in front of the discs. The concrete block is just for weight to make sure the disc goes in the ground. The payloader is just parked there. We don't use that for manure. The semis, again, are just sitting there waiting for the weather to straighten out so we can start hauling manure. As soon as the weather is cooperative, I hope to get some more videos and show you all this equipment in action. So please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. It helps, and I appreciate you watching.